Today we're going to replace the yoke, knob and spring guide on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. Remove the 2 screws from either side of the cap. Remove the 4 shoulder screws using the provided Allen key. You can now remove the cap. Disconnect the spark and fan wires. Then remove the cylinder head by twisting. Disconnect the retaining ring by removing the screw with the provided Allen key. Remove the 2 screws, then the 4 holding the body together. Remove the front channel. Now you can lift the combustion chamber and magazine out from the body of the nailer. Loosen the 2 screws by using a star drive to remove the yoke. Now you will have access to the springs. These may fall out very easily. Disconnect the probe by unscrewing. Reconnect the probe. With the new springs, slide these back onto the new yoke, with the probe bumpers sliding into the clips. Place the yoke back into the combustion chamber and tighten with the 2 screws. Return the combustion chamber and magazine back into the right handle body. Then clip the left handle body into the magazine and make sure the body of the nailer shuts firmly. Secure the 2 shoulder screws and then the 4 screws holding the body together. Fix the front channel back. Return the retaining ring and fix it in place with the screw. Secure the cylinder head. Connect the wires back into position. Place the cap back over the cylinder head until flush. Secure with the 6 screws. That's how you replace the yoke, knob and spring guide on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.